welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new co-host with me. I got my daughter Savannah and my new baby down here. Everybody, this is Nugget. Nugget, say hi. Say hi, Nugget. This is Nugs. We call her Nugs. I won't even tell you what my son calls her. But anyways, today we thought it would be fun to try some new candies. So while I was shopping the other day at Walmart, I found these, which are the new Swedish Fish Tails, which are 2 flavors in one. So the flavors that they have here are blue raspberry strawberry, watermelon pineapple, and raspberry mango. And they also say, which I couldn't find, the new flavor they also have is the new Sour Patch Kids heads, which is 2 flavors in one, but I couldn't find those. The next to those, they had the new Swedish Fish Minis Tropicals. And these ones are Pina Colada, Tropical Island, Beachy Punch, and Passion Fruit. And then when my sister got wind that I was doing some fun new candies, she picked up these that she found, which I've never seen in my life. And they're called the 4D Gummy Block shapes, where you can actually build, like, blocks with. And then she did also pick me up, which my son tells me these have been around for a while. But she also picked me these up because they're jawbreakers that change colors and flavors. And she was like, that's Willy Wonka stuff. So just for the heck of it, we're going to try those. But these are all new. So we're going to start with the Swedish Fish Tails, which are the 2 flavors in one. We thought we would give these a whirl, because who doesn't like Swedish fish? Never in my life would I ever think about trying one that's different flavors. So which one do you want? Blue raspberry strawberry?
I'll try the mango.
Okay, so that's like the orangey looking one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's what they look like. Oh, they're pretty big size.
They are.
Okay, so that's the raspberry mango. I'll try
good.
the watermelon pineapple. Go ahead. Wow, they're really big.
They're really hard to chew.
Oh, look, guys. I don't have to feel guilty. They're fat-free food.
I'm tasting more mango.
Oh, I like these. They have the Swedish fish texture. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like these.
Try them from Dad.
Okay. Here, try. Which one did you just have?
Mango.
Okay, here, try this one.
What is this one?
This one. This is blue raspberry strawberry. Might be hard to see. I really like these. So, they're 110 calories for 5 of them. They have 23 grams of sugar and 27 grams of carbs. They may be a fat-free food, but they are not keto-friendly. But they are delicious. Okay. So next, so we tried all 3 flavors that they had for there. Next, we're going to try now these ones are mini, and I can feel them. We'll try them later. These ones are smaller. So these are Swedish Fish Mini Tropicals. And there's 4 flavors in this. Okay.
I'm about to get stomach later.
Oh, look how cute these are. Look. Look at these compared to these. Look how small. Look how teeny tiny they are. Okay, so I'm assuming the white one's pina colada, which is what I really want to try. So I'll give the purple one to Savannah, which is passion fruit.
Orange.
Okay, so that's Tropical Island then. And guys, these have a totally different texture. These are like see how these ones are like clear? These ones are more your Swedish fish texture. These don't look like them, but we're going to try them. Oh, she thinks she's going to get some. I'm going to try the pina colada.
That tasted like Dad's gum.
It has a good flavor, but they don't have the Swedish fish texture.
No, they're like tart or something.
They're like a little weird. These have the Swedish fish texture and almost have like a Swedish fish taste to it, but flavored. These ones, the two flavors in one, but this one, they're Swedish fish, but they have a totally different texture. Okay, so you try this beachy passion, so I'll get you an orange. Which one? Do you have an orange one?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll get you a pink one. The pink one is beach punch. And then the purple one is passion fruit. They're really small. The flavors are okay, but they have a weird texture. I definitely prefer these. I prefer these over these. Not that they're bad. They have nice flavor. I just don't know if I'm crazy about the texture. This is a Swedish fish texture. This is not. These ones. Nice flavors though. They definitely taste like what they say. I definitely tasted like passion fruit. And I had the pina colada one. It definitely tastes like pina colada. But it has a much different... It's not gummy. It's almost like gum texture. Like you're chewing a piece of gum. But instead of chewing a piece of gum, it just dissolves. That's the kind of texture it has. So the next one we're going to try is these 4D gummies. These are block shaped. So we're going to actually see if we can build something before we eat them.
Just on your table.
Oh, those are interesting.
Wow. That's new.
Look at those. They actually look like blocks. And they come in different sizes.
Seriously?
Okay. Hold on, let me open one up. I'm going to show it to you, and then I'm going to turn the table. I'm not going to turn the table. I'm going to turn the camera down so you guys can see if we can actually build something.
Nugget is just looking at you like, when are you going to give me one?
I can't open these. There we go. I had to use my mouth.
Whoa. Those are strong.
Ew.
That is weird.
That is weird. Look at these.
They look like Jell-O.
You see the little bumps? Like that looks like an actual block. Alright, let me see if I can't stack something. Oh, wait, okay, look. The backs have holes in them so that you can stack them. Oh, look, Hannah! You can play with your fruit! That is kind of cool, look. You can play with these. Because the inside, I don't know if my camera will pick it up. The inside actually has the holes for you to stack the pointy side into. That is so cool, and these are like jellies. And they come in all different sizes. Look, guys, they have all different sizes of them. Well, that's different. So you can actually play. You can play with your candy. Look.
They can't see it, huh?
Oh, they can't see that one. Look. That's so funny. We could build a castle. Now here's a bigger one. Let me see if I can't attach that one.
Let's not spend all day building a castle. This is weird. I don't know how to do that.
Look, guys, you can literally just keep stacking these. These are pretty wild. That's pretty crazy. Okay, so now that we built
Our castle.
our little castle,
It's time to destroy it.
look guys, I made a whole bunch of them. That is really crazy. You really can stack these and do different things with them.
I wonder how they do that though. Like add the whole.
They must have a mold.
Probably.
Okay, so here's a red one.
Ooh, they're squishy.
I'm going to take a green one,
Dang.
and we're going to taste them. Let's see if they taste as good as it was to play with them.
Super hard to chew, that's for sure.
Oh, look. They taste like gummies. But on the back of the box, it says that you can build a penguin, a crocodile, and a giraffe. Do you see that? Now we just ate two, so we probably don't have enough to do it. Tastes like just your everyday average gummy.
Not really. The green one tastes like green apple a little bit.
Well, yeah, but like a gummy. Like your average gummy. But they are fun to play with.
Mm-hmm.
And they really do stack. And they're not slimy. And they're not sticky. This would be a really cute toy. Well, treat.
Mm-hmm.
Treat / toy. To put like in a little boy's Easter basket. Like that would be really, really cute to do. And then very quickly, because I just took a lot of time with that.
I don't even know what
It was fun though. See how they stack? We're going to try one of these Godstoppers. So my son was like, Mom, those changeable Godstoppers have been out for so long. But we don't eat a lot of candy, so my sister thought these were new. And it says that they change colors and flavors. So we're just going to try one for the heck of it because we're eating candy.
Okay, I don't know what I made.
But those three things were all new. All the fish, they were new. These are jawbreakers, aren't they?
I don't know what I made.
What did you make?
I don't know even what I made.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So I put a purple one in. It was grape turned to strawberry. A lot of sugar. Okay.
I don't
So-
even know which one I got.
These are cool. These would be fun for the movies. Except for the people in the movie theater. Probably wouldn't be very happy with you.
I don't think it tastes.
If you're doing that.
Does it say it changes your mouth or something?
No. Yeah, that was orange. And then it went real bitter like lime. So yes, they did. They change flavor when you have them in your mouth. That's cool. No, it doesn't change your tongue or anything. So that was good. So out of all of them, which one was your favorite? The new ones, yeah, out of all of them, I think this one is my favorite too. The new Swedish Fish Tails, that's the 2 flavors in one. And the gummies, the little block gummies, those were a lot of fun to play with. These were really cool. These little block gummies. And I'm telling you, like, to pick these up and put these, like, in a little boy's basket for Easter, that would be fun because you get to play with your food. This is the one case where you get to play with your food before you eat it.
And not get in trouble.
And not get in trouble. So that was really cute. So this was really, really cute. So these 2 are winners. Really, really good. This was a lot of fun. These were good. They don't have that Swedish fish texture, and they don't really remind me of a Swedish fish, but the flavor's good. The flavor's good. So 1 out of a 10, I give this about a 5. I give these a 9, and then I give these a 10, and then even though these probably have been around for a while, like the first time I've really had them, I would give these like a strong 6. So, what do you give these?
6.
The new ones with the double tails?
Oh, I thought those were the ones, the other ones, the other ones are 9.
Those ones are 9, and then the ones that are real small.
6.
A 6. And then the fun block ones.
10.
Give those a 10. And then when you give your Godstoppers.
1.
Oh, and she didn't really like these, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
So that's our review today of our candy. So that's my video today, guys, for trying all these different candies. I really hope that you guys are enjoying these videos of me trying things. We're having a lot of fun. I know they're silly, but life's too short to be serious. So I'm just trying to be silly and have fun, and I'm having fun. But if you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will do my absolute best to accommodate you. I'm willing to do pretty much anything, and it doesn't have to be food. I'll try anything except for skydive. I ain't jumping out of a plane for you guys.
You're bungee jumping.
I ain't bungee jumping either. But I'll try other things. I really will. So don't forget to leave those comments down below. And if you're enjoying these videos, please give me big thumbs up. Say hi down in the comments. Tell me which ones you're excited to try. And if you're new here, please subscribe and hit that bell so that you get notifications of when I upload new videos of me trying things, Thrifty Thursday, my lives, whatever crazy thing I'm doing next, so that you are on board for all the fun. Until next time, guys, do what you love, do it large, and I'll be talking to you then. Bye, y'all!